This house you're looking at right now is located in San Antonio, Texas at 11019 Anarbor Field. This is out in Bridgewood. It's off of Shanefield Road. Shanefield and 1604. We're going to go in here and take a look at this property. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, approximate square footage 2,937. It has really nice big bedrooms, and we'll take a look at those. You're going to have 3 living areas, and the first one's right here as you come in. We'll spin around here, take a look back. This will be like your formal living area where you greet your guests. Through there is going to be your garage. Half bath here on the left. In this house you're going to have the vinyl flooring throughout here, most of the downstairs. Linoleum in the bathrooms, and then as we go upstairs, we're going to find carpet. We'll keep moving through the downstairs here. As you can see, it's a very open floor plan. There in the distance, you're going to have like your family area. Right here, going to be your dining area, good sized dining area. Over here in the kitchen, plenty of cabinets, countertop space. Take a look back there at the front. And down here also, you're going to have the master. Some people like that, having a master bedroom downstairs. All the other bedrooms are upstairs. There's 3 upstairs, also a full bath upstairs. Going to have your choice of a shower or a bath. Got the tub and the shower. Nice big walk-in closet. We'll walk in there and take a spin around, and then we'll come back out. This property is located in the North Side Independent School District. If you're wondering about the schools, we'll take a peek out the back door here real quick. Good sized yard. Doesn't look like there's anything there behind you. I'm going to go up to the 2nd story now. There's going to be a nice large game room there. Shut the door here. Nice large game room upstairs, or you might call it a loft. A lot of living space in this house. As I said, it's approximately 2,937 square footage. This game room approximately 16 by 19. Also, I didn't mention the size of the master. Master downstairs is about the same size, 16 by 19. I'm going to have this hallway here. I'm going to have bedrooms up front, 2 up front, 1 in the back. Closet here on the left. So these 3 bedrooms, approximate square footage is 14 by 16. One's 15 by 13 approximately. The other one's approximately 14 by 16. Here's your laundry room. Even this has got quite a bit of space in it. Plenty of shelves. Nice thing about these front bedrooms, they have about 4 windows, so if you like light, you can definitely open up the windows, have quite a bit of light in these rooms. All these rooms are carpeted. Take a quick look into the 2nd bathroom. That's a double vanity. That's nice. You don't have to share the same sink. All right, there's a quick look through this property. It's located at 11019 Anarbor Field. That's off 1604 in Shanefield and Bridgewood. If you want some information, you can call Liberty Management at 210-681-8080. Mark Fee, he has a lot of information if you want to talk to him. Come see the property. His number is 210-618-9161. Okay, thank you for watching.